start to look, go take some time and do a Google search of the other plumbing companies in your area. Go look at their websites, see what they do, and then see how you can stand out and be different. Because, put on a critical hat or a Mrs. Jones hat, if you will. How is Mrs. Jones seeing these other plumbing companies' websites? Because again, that's what they're looking at. They may find you on Google, like GMB or whatever it might be, but more than likely they're scrolling or they're drilling down to your website to get more information or just get a feel for you. Go and see what the others in your area are doing, and then decide I need to stand out from these other guys. More than likely, they're terrible websites. Right. More than likely.